Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ledger Live and verify firmware updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Ledger Live, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Ledger website at ledger.com. Locate the download section on the home page. Select the appropriate version of Ledger Live for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click the download button to start the downloading process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch Ledger Live. Connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, Ledger Live will prompt you to enter your device's PIN. After entering your PIN, you will see the Ledger Live dashboard. To verify firmware updates, navigate to the Manager tab on the left side of the screen. This section will show you if there are any firmware updates available for your device. If an update is available, click on the Update button. Follow the prompts to download and install the latest firmware version. Ensure that your device remains connected throughout the update process. Once the update is complete, your Ledger device will restart. After the restart, reconnect to Ledger Live and verify that the firmware version is updated. You have now successfully downloaded Ledger Live and verified your firmware updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.